Hello, my medical and healthcare and pharmaceutical practices that are out there. My name is Justin Croxton. I'm one of the managing partners here at Propellant Media. We're a digital ad agency here in Atlanta, Georgia. And I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about our geofencing technology that we utilize for a number of the medical practices and healthcare institutions that we work with. There's a number of folks that really don't understand geofencing and really how beneficial it can be to your practice. And if you think about a lot of the different advertising that you may currently be doing, whether it's billboard, maybe it's direct mail, maybe it's TV, print, whatever it is, a lot of times you're doing a spray effect where you're trying to hit an entire zip code or an entire city, and make certain that you let people know that you exist, that you are here in Atlanta, and that if you have a need, whether it's you need foot surgery, or if you need back surgery, you're having an issue with your spine, or if you have a heart condition, any of those things, that you exist, and that people should reach out to you. But a lot of times for us as digital marketers and as marketers in general, we want to ensure that our clients are getting an incredible return on their investment. And part of the challenge in doing that is trying to figure out, where can I really find those people that express some sort of an intent, a need for my services as a medical practice. So, there's a couple of different cases here with geofencing that really allows us to hone in and really target particular buildings, particular places, and really target those people based on the actual places that they go. And so there's a couple different uses that we wanted to share with you, of what we've done for different medical practices that are out there. And just to give you an example, I'm not saying that Emory University is one of our clients, but let's say that they were one of our clients. And well, part of the thing that we could do is say, let's say Emory University, or they have an orthopedic center, and they want to target people that are in sports, people that have a lot of different sports medical related issues, and they want to, get their message in front of those that are likely to get into an accident in some capacity or something to that effect. One of the things that we've done in the past is we've actually geofenced, I wouldn't say parks, but places where we know a lot of adults, typically go, but a lot of injuries typically happen, and then they go to their center after the fact. And just over here, I just noticed that here is Central Park. And so one of the things that we can do with our technology is build an incredibly precise geofence just around this park. And anybody that walks inside this park that has a cell phone on them, and their cell phone is turned on, we now have captured the ID to their smartphone device. And then we also have the ability to serve ads to them both while they're there at the park, if they've gotten into an accident or an injury, as well as after they leave the park for up to 30 days. Now you think how powerful that is. If you think about Emory University, how much money they may be spending on billboard and TV, targeting all of Atlanta or certain parts of Atlanta, it gets to be really expensive. But when you can pick and choose the places where you probably get quite a bit of your traffic from, then it becomes really, really powerful. I mean, you could even, if you were Emory University, you could geofence other hospitals that might be nearby. That's what we call our competitive conquesting strategy. Let's say you were a dental practice. Let's say you're a dental practice, and I'm just thinking of one practice that's here in Atlanta, and you wanted to target one of your competitors because you know that maybe they don't offer as good rates, or they're not as good as a practice. And so this is one practice that I found here on our website, and doing the search. So we come down here. I think this is Pure Dental, and we do a little bit of a geofence right here. And then all the people that walk inside that geofence, again, we now have the ability to serve ads to those individuals. And here's the beauty of our technology, is let's say you want to not just serve ads to those individuals, but you also want to track and measure the foot traffic that you got from that advertising. We also have the ability to do that. We are essentially taking all of our online advertising and tracking and measuring that data offline. And so in that case, typically what we would do is we would come back into our system. And I'm just saying this was the actual client that we're working with, just to use that as an assumption. And we built what we call a conversion zone around their building. Let's say this was another dental practice. So all the people that have walked inside this dental practice and saw our ads or clicked on our ads and then came back to our location here, We now have the ID to their smartphone device, and when they've seen an ad and come back over here, we've now tracked that as an action. And we can report back to our medical and healthcare and even pharmaceutical institutions on that level of traffic that we've driven, both offline as well as online. Really, really powerful stuff. Now you're at a place where you're getting 90% more reach in your advertising spend. You have 95% more accuracy and 80% less waste. You're not wasting your dollars on other areas of advertising that really aren't producing the results that you're looking for as a medical institution or as a medical practice. So for those that really want to learn more about geofencing, I highly recommend you guys either schedule a demo or do a little bit more research on it so you can better understand how it can be an incredible and effective tool for your business. That's ultimately going to drive more patients and increase the awareness of your business and of your practice. So thanks for listening. Greatly appreciate it. And again, we're Propellant Media, digital ad agency here in Atlanta. Talk to you soon. Take care.